from the beginning. To create a new project, I click Create. The first decision is the format. AI Book Engine can support more than one format, but for this front-end walkthrough, I am choosing ebook. This option is designed to create a KDP-ready ebook package with the core pieces a publisher needs to review: the manuscript, the cover, the listing metadata, and the downloadable package. I am not going to use the upgrade modules in this demo, because the point here is to show the normal ebook creation flow a front-end customer can understand right away. Next, I choose the kind of ebook I want to create. This matters because the genre helps guide the research. The tone, the cover direction, and the kind of reader the book should speak to. For this example, I am going to choose mindfulness. It is a good KDP-style nonfiction niche because the audience is clear. The problem is easy to understand, and the content can be practical. Now, I choose the visual style for the ebook. This is a nice part of the workflow because the user is not only generating text, they are also choosing how the final PDF should feel visually. The style controls things like the cover page, chapter headers, fonts, colors, and overall layout. For a mindfulness ebook, I am going to choose Clean Minimal because it feels calm and modern. Before I commit, I can preview the style and see how the cover, table of contents, chapter pages, content pages, and recap pages might look. Once the style feels right, I click Use this style and continue. This step is where I give the system the actual book idea. I can choose the AI model, enter the topic or keyword, set the book length, choose the cover level, and add a tone preference. For this demo, I will enter mindfulness for busy professionals. That is specific enough to give the book a clear reader, but broad enough for the AI to build a useful structure around it. I will keep the recommended model, keep the book length short for the demo, and add a tonepreference.com/practical, beginner-friendly, and motivating. I also keep the author name option turned on so the cover can include the account author name. Before generating the full ebook, I can use the A-Riffin brief. This is helpful because many users start with a simple idea, but they may not know how to turn that idea into a strong book direction. Here, AI Book Engine expands the keyword into a more complete creative brief. It identifies the target audience, explains the book angle, suggests the tone of voice, and gives a structural direction for the chapters. I do not have to accept it blindly. I can review the brief, edit it if I want, and make sure the project is going in the right direction before spending credits on the full generation. Once the brief looks good, I click Generate my ebook. Now the app starts building the project step by step. It researches the market direction, generates the outline, writes the manuscript, designs the cover, creates the KDP-style metadata, formats the PDF, and then marks the project as done. During the writing stage, I can see the manuscript preview streaming into the page, which makes the process feel transparent. After generation finishes, I click View eBook. This brings me to the finished book page. Here, I can immediately see the cover, the ready-to-publish status, the generated title, the subtitle, the original keyword, the number of chapters, and the word count. There is also a Download KDP Package button to export the finished package after reviewing it. At this point, the project is not just a loose draft. It has a manuscript, cover, outline, metadata, and a structured place to manage everything.